spin. Spin.
Feel like a biscuit.
Hello, my name is Mr. Mai from Thailand.
He loves it.
That's brilliant. Oh, Thailand.
He supports Liverpool, we don't like him. Right, today we're going to the waterfall. 5 levels. 5 levels. How many are we going to do? We're going to do all 5 levels. We don't just do what the average person does. We're more than average, aren't we? Look at chubby cheeks, look. Aww. Yeah, so it's called Tok Sam. Tok Sam?
Tong Chong. No, Tong Chong.
Tong Chong. I'm not good with these Thai names, they all sound the same, so yeah. But we're having breakfast and we're going up there. We're going to get on it, we're going to swim, jump off the waterfall, because that's one of the things on my bucket list.
Our bucket list?
Alright, our bucket list. It was one of my ideas, so then we can tick it off. You're naughty. So today I'm going to jump off a waterfall, which is one of our yeah, see how I did that? It's I can't talk. It's on our bucket list of things to do while we're travelling. I think that's the very first thing off our bucket list 3 months in that we're actually going to do, so it's pretty good fun. Oh. And there's 5 levels on the waterfall. We're going to try and get up all 5 because we're ambitious like that, but probably not going to get up 5. Bae?
Yeah?
No, I'm just calling you Bae. So we're now walking 1 kilometre, which is 1,000 metres, not far. Can run that in about a minute.
Yeah, you could run that in a minute, could you?
Mate, it's all about 4-minute miles. I can do 2-minute miles. Would that be a minute? Don't really know. But yeah, we're just doing a 1k walk now, and should get there in approximately 10 minutes. I'm going to say. Nah, more 30 minutes. We're in the middle of a national park now, and we were watching National Geographic the other day, and it said there's wild tigers in Thailand, so I'm a little bit worried. The thing is that I'm not worried, I just fuck a tiger up, so it's not really an issue. She'll fuck the elephant up, won't you?
I will, I'll dip it.
Yeah.
I'll boof it.
Cool.
I'll knock its house down.
Fucking hills already. Knackered. Fucked. Whoa, be careful, babe, be careful. Dun 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 dun.
So anyway, we've been reading everywhere on TripAdvisor. There's like long walks here, and you have to bring your trainers. Of course, me and Louise forgot our trainers, so now we're walking along some tough terrain in flip-flops. So I doubt very highly that we're gonna get to the 5th waterfall today. Oh my god, this is the first vlog I've done with my haircut, I think. Love it. I can hear the waterfall. I can hear some sort of water increment. I don't even know what I'm saying. Should be there soon.
Watch it go, boy. Is it cold? Is it cold? Oh, I might get in.
Just get in. Just jump. Yeah, just jump in. Well, it's not sharp. Jump, 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 jump! Hey! Jump, 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 jump! Oh no! I don't like this bit, I can't see where I'm going. Oh mate! Because I can't. It's fresh water, have you had it in your mouth?
Yeah.
It's really nice, isn't it? Right, tell me when there's not. Oh, you can touch the floor. Okay. Go. You always do that, you go where
It's amazing. Bye bye bye. Oh, I got a fish on my foot.
Right, we're going to jump underwater and smile, right? Ready? So this is the fucking walkway, excuse my language, in these flip-flops that are unbelievably slippery. Nightmare! But definitely worth it for a full waterfall. What? That's unbelievable, Jeff. The sun's out. Fuck me, I'm glad we come up here now. Thank you. Wow.
We've finished all 5 waterfalls now. What's it called again? Tong Chong.
I think.
Honestly, if you get the chance when you come to Thailand, if you come into Khao Lak, yeah, go to Tong Chong. Tong Chak?
No, Tong Chong.
Tong Chong. Come to Tong Chong waterfalls. There's 5 of them, and honestly, every single one's different, but they're just all so nice. Like, and even the walk there is really nice, look. It's your average walk in the jungle, you know. You know what it's like? It's my analogy. Waterfalls are like paintballing. Yeah? Like, my breath here. The first time you go paintballing is the best time you ever have. And the first time you come to a proper waterfall, it's the best time ever. Like, I reckon if I went to other waterfalls now, however good they were, none of them would compare to the first time. But once you come to a waterfall, the first time is going to be the best time, like when you go paintballing. See what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying?
I know what you're saying.
She knows. So yeah, honestly, do it, man.
Ugh.